In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find history in Zoom. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to review your recent activity and how to open the details you need quickly and confidently. First, a quick orientation. Zoom keeps a running record of your recent activity, often called history. This is where you can review things like recent meetings you joined, calls you made or missed if you use Zoom Phone, and other activity depending on your account's features. It's helpful when you need to retrace steps, confirm when something happened, or reopen something you were just working on. Make sure you're signed into your Zoom account and that your app or browser tab is open to the main Zoom view. On that main screen, look for the search bar at the top. Just to the left of that search bar, you'll see the History option. Go ahead and click History. This takes you straight to a chronological list of your recent activity. You may see entries labeled with meeting names, call indicators like missed or completed, timestamps, and brief summaries. Depending on your plan and the features enabled, it may appear as a consolidated list or organized by category, but the idea is the same. It's a timeline of what you've done in Zoom. Now that you're in History, find the specific activity you're interested in and click it. Selecting an entry opens the details for that item. For a meeting, you'll typically see the meeting title, the date and time, and sometimes the duration and additional context, such as who invited you or how you joined. For calls, you'll usually see whether it was incoming, outgoing, or missed, along with the time and duration. For chats or messages tied to your activity, you may see a snippet or a reference that lets you jump back into the relevant conversation or space. Use this detail view to verify information or pick up where you left off. For example, if you're confirming when a meeting happened, the timestamp here is your source of truth. If you're reviewing a missed call, the entry helps you understand exactly when it came in so you can follow up appropriately. If your account includes additional controls, you may also see options to open the related meeting, conversation, or contact from this view. If you don't immediately see the History option, check that you're looking at the main Zoom window and look closely for a clock-like icon near the search bar. Interface layouts can vary slightly by platform and account type, but the History control is almost always right next to Search. That's it. Click History next to the search bar, then select the activity you want to review. Simple, fast, and reliable.